Yes, sir.
So, how do you explain the discrepancy between, well, I want to transform, I want to come to this workshop and actually change, and then sitting on the mat and it's like, no, I don't want to. Or like, I can't, it doesn't come to me. That's the justification, and you say, well, I don't want to change, that's why nothing's happening on the mat. But why did I even come here?
You thought you could do it easily. You thought I would do it for you. You see, you thought the workshop would do it for you. Now the workshop contributes a great deal, and it contributes as much as you allow it to contribute, as much as you throw yourself into it and really go for understanding what's occurring. But you have to do it. It's not going to do it for you, and people keep being of that mind that, okay, I'll do something, I'll do this thing, this practice, and it will do it for me. It will change me like against my will. But it won't. And yeah, and like, you know, like I say, in the old school, the consciousness workshops that we did, primarily the ENB, the staff, the teachers there, the facilitators there, had to do it every time it was done. I just made that the case. Nobody resisted it. You know, nobody said, "Oh, gotta do it again." You know, no, I never heard that. See, and in all the times, in the decades that I kept doing the work and had teachers doing it over and over and over again, like the EMB, no one said, "Well, I'm done. I got it all." No one, not one person. They would get more out of it each time they did it. Otherwise, it's kind of stupid to do it, right? See? Like reading the book of not knowing over and over again. Except facilitation is more powerful than reading. A lot more powerful than reading. But in any case, yeah. You see what I'm saying? So, like, you know, you wouldn't think if you entered the martial sphere, see, and I teach you a technique or two, you know, and you wouldn't, okay, I'm done. Okay, I learned a technique. I don't do it really well, you know, but I learned it enough to kind of go through the motions and stuff, so I'm done. So you wouldn't think that in the martial, right? You say, no, I got to get better and better and better. I understand more, deep, it's like that. And then you find out, if you're doing my martial stuff, right? You find out there's so much more than you thought was even possible. See? Because you couldn't possibly know. See, when you start off, you can't. See, you can even fall on the mat. You know what I'm saying? You don't even know how to manipulate a body very well. You know, etc. I see. So you're learning that, and you're learning that, and then you learn more and more and more and more. And there's domains that you didn't even know existed. See, but you can't until you learned other stuff. It's like that an image. You know, I had, say, like of my teachers, really good teacher. Okay, it was only one teacher. But I had this image, you see, and I'd see him on the top of the mountain kind of deal, see, and I'm at the bottom of the mountain, and I want to get up there, see. So I work hard, and I get up to the top of the mountain where he's supposed to be, and then I see, oh no, he's over there on a higher peak. Okay, I went over there, and so I go over there, and I go, oh no, he's on another higher peak, you see. But the line of sight is kind of, you know what I'm saying? He's like that. It just, I can only see the hill in front of me. I can't see really where he is, and I failed to notice he was really, really tiny. That's a metaphor joke. Anyway, see, that kind of thing, see? And only until I achieved this could I see, oh, more, and I achieved, oh, more, and he was already more. I couldn't see it, though. Kind of deal. So it is also with the consciousness work, you know. You think something, I mean, sometimes with the consciousness work, though, we've got these kind of guru images or enlightened person images and, you know, that kind of shit, and then you endow them with all sorts of crap that they may or may not deserve, you know what I'm saying? And you go, oh yes, tell me, what's the nature of all of existence? You know? Is there God? Well, what is, you know, I don't know. Perhaps. I mean, I do, but, you know, I'm just saying, you see. And martial teachers sometimes do that too. But you can't possibly grasp what's really true for them or the facilitator, you know, or the teacher or whatever, until you grasp what they're actually teaching, what they're sharing, what they're facilitating you in. So if you don't grasp it, you don't have a clue what's going on with them. And then when you grasp it, it blows your socks off. See? And you go, whoa, yeah, it's true. And then you know what? It's truer than that. See, whatever you grasp as true, it's truer than that. See? And as you work on it, you grasp it more, and you go, wow, yeah, and it's truer than that. It's like it gets more and more, oh, that's what you were doing? Damn, I didn't know that.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.